Jobs. Who am I? I make appointments but do not make people. I extract and build news. I operate an argument. I make analysis but I don't make general analysis. I am applied hygiene and cleaning. I can't fight or lie. I can't not watch TV or make fun. I own and flying. I try to and warn the sides. I bleach and clean. Who am I? I can attend it and or service a customer. I lead and I drip up menus. I con and cooks. I prepare food, but I don't eat it. I can burn or make for food. I chose and prepare the menu. I clean food and prepare it. I meet the order, but I don't call it money. I can buy or work out. I do flour and textures.